Okay, we're going to go through this thing here in real time. These are David's shoes and socks. Okay, and I'm going to occasionally pause this. I'm thinking these are David's. Here are the various things that David had in here that belong to him. Pressure gauge here. What else we got? Another pressure gauge there. This is his. I know this was his. He's got a Bosch. This looks like ours. But we'll assume it's his because it's in his truck. Here's a thermometer, solar non-contact thermometer. Here's another one. Here is a charger. Here are some nuts and drill bits and stuff. Here's a hat of his. There's some gauges down in here. Here is another. Let's see what this is here. Oh, this is the micron gauge tool here. We've got, and he's got two of these, so these must be his. I don't know why he would need one of those, but at any rate, I think this is a. That's another thermometer. Some hoses here. There's a hand tool here. Here's his fluke meter. Right. Yep, that's a fluke meter. So here is a label maker, which I believe is his. Yep. So and we got another Infocon vacuum gauge there. If I had to take a guess, put a fair number, I'd say this is about $1,000 worth of stuff right here. Okay. The vacuum pump is EPS's. Let's take a look. This is his uniforms, his jacket, hand cart, I believe, belonged to him. I'm trying to remember the torch rig. The torch rig was his. This tent was his. The vacuum was his. This sawzall was his. Yep, sawzall belongs to him. These tools in here, the hand tools, flaring tools, pullers. Boy, he sure owned a lot of vacuum gauges here. So those were his. Solder rig is his. This is his. Piping cutter. Tanks are ours. What's that there? The tarp is his. These hand tools here were all his. Let's see here. Yep, all this stuff in here was his, this whole bag. Oh, his drill is his. Another meter was his. What's this here? This is just wire nuts and wire ties and stuff. Screwdriver down in there. What do we got in here? Again, another regulator. Gear puller. Oops. Is his. Did I say the hand cart was his? Yeah, those goggles are his. What else we got over here? These ladders are ours. What's he got here? CPS scales were his. Wrenches are his. Let's see what we got here. Another set of drills with chargers are his. What do we got here? Let's see. Bit set was his. Grinders is his. He's got punches, some more hand tools in here, punches and wrenches, his. And then we got this case here. Oh, pipe wrenches, channel locks, hole punch, sheet metal tools are all in here. Let's see, what's this here? These are all company materials there, so and we got contactors and such. So that's basically it there. Oh, here we go. Here's another bunch of sheet metal tools. What's this here? Is this his? Okay, and notepads. These gloves are ours. Rags, what's this here? Another set of, these are materials here. What's this? USB port, a couple screwdrivers, some gloves. So let's check personal effects in the front here. There's his uniforms. This is his. Let's see. Flashlight's his. Wrench is his. Hard hat, I'm sure, was his. See anything else in here? Oh, his camera rig here is his. Let's see. Okay. Okay. That's pretty. Oh, wait a minute. What do we got up here? Is there anything up here? No, this is company stuff. Company papers. Yeah, these are just company papers. What do we got back here? Oh, that's company stuff. What's this here? Drain pump for Mitsubishi. And that's it. Okay. Yeah. These are nothing but business cards. Let's see, what's this? Lights are his. These are probably from the office, the batteries. Would be my guess. But the lights are his. Batteries. Okay, so that's basically it. All right. Let's check the other side. Oh, this is his hat. All right. Let's pause this. Lighters, his coffee mug, a bunch of pens. There's his flashlight. There's a voltage detector. I'm sure the pens are all from the office. There's one of his wrenches. There's his coffee cup. So, and some more lighters and such.